Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is where we give you updates about USDT. So I give you platforms that help you to earn and make massive income. As you can see, I have $6,666 here. So quickly I'll be using this platform to teach you how to make your own money. So firstly, you have to register. You put in your email, your login password, your security password, then the invite code you submit. You can also use your phone to register or register with your email, but I prefer using email to register. It's very simple to do. So this is, once you register, this is the interface of the platform we'll be working with. So firstly, you can see the withdrawal record of people withdrawing from the platform. So you can see that it is paying, it's paid. So quickly you move to quantify. Once you press on quantify, it shows you the VIPs. That's different packages you can unlock to earn in this platform. We have VIP1 to VIP9. So, and the higher the VIP you join, the higher your investment or the higher income you make. So it has a lot of VIPs for you to click, you join. Once you join, or for you to unlock it, once you unlock it, you start earning. So simple and easy. So once you click, you unlock. Once you unlock, you start earning in USDT, you start earning your money and you back it. So that back home, click on recharge. It will take you to this interface. You can recharge with any wallet of your choice, TRC, BNB, anyone you want. Another way to earn massively in this platform is through invite of friends. You can see the commission you earn from level 1, level 2 and others. So that's very simple to do and so catching. So all you just have to do is click on your invitation code, you copy it and send it to your friends. Once they register and recharge in this platform, you'll be earning a very good commission. So what else is that you just need I'll be showing you how you can withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, it will take you to this interface. This interface, you can see where you input your payment method, you put your withdrawal address, the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, remember your security password, you need it, then you press on confirm. That's so easy. Then in this channel, we'll be sharing good platforms that help you to earn in USDT. Please subscribe to our channel to be first to be notified once we upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. I hope you find this video very helpful. See you next time. Bye.